Okay, so what are we going to do today? Well, I got a cantaloupe here. Somebody asked me if I could make cantaloupe moonshine. So I did a little research. Yes, you can. There's a couple different ways, but the way I chose, some use milk, and I just particularly didn't want milk, and it's very simple. It's 4 cups of ripe cantaloupe, 3 cups of moonshine, which I pre-measured out, a little bit of sugar, and some water. All right? So easy to do. So let's get started. Wait a minute. Oh, welcome to Stillworks Abroad. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Now we can get started. All right. Well, this is easy to do. All right, so I want to cut the cantaloupe in half. Whoop. All right. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of all the seeds. I had a plastic bag. Yeah, I'll put one of these for now. I'll just put this junk in there for now. So really, all you want to do is scoop out the seeds. You know, we don't want that. I do love cantaloupe though. All right, so you want to clean out the seeds and stuff. And if you got 1 or 2, it ain't gonna hurt nothing anyway. All right. So now what we want to do, let me get that out of the way, is we need 4 cups of cantaloupe. All right, so what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can slice this up. Now some people say to, throw it in a blender and to mince it all up. I particularly didn't want to do that because then it's hard to get it out. So what I'm going to do, if I can do it without slicing my finger off, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to just dice it up relatively small. And then I'm going to extract that melon flavor, that cantaloupe flavor. Well, cantaloupe is a melon. And then I think I'll use some cheesecloth and stuff to get it nice and juicy here. This is going to be tasty. Yeah, the one recipe I seen with milk, it looked interesting. But I just wasn't sure. All right. We're getting there. I believe it's going to probably take this whole, it's not a giant cantaloupe. Do. We're just trying to extract the flavor out of that. Another cup more. That's 2 cups. Ain't really much for ingredients. But I just gotta bet that's gonna be pretty tasty. I do believe. Now let me finish cutting up these 4 cups and then I'll be right. Okay, so what we want to do next is we want to put our cantaloupe into this, a half a gallon mason jar. It is cantaloupe season. It's all over the place right now. I mean, in the stores. Okay, put your cantaloupe in there. That might be a hair more than 4 cups, but that's okay. Either. Where's the cup marks? It's just a hair. There's 4 cups right there. Okay. Now, just to make it a little bit sweeter, the directions calls for 1 cup. I'm gonna just go a little shy of a cup. I'm gonna go for about 3/4 of a cup. I just want it a little bit less sweet. So we're gonna put that in there. And then next, our 3 cups of shine. This is 100 proof shine. Put that in there. And then what I'm going to do after that is more or less, I'm going to just, it calls for 1 cup of water. I'm basically just going to top it off somewhere in that neighborhood right there. All right, that will work out perfect. Then we're going to put a lid on it. And one thing that I have learned to do, except for find a pin, is, I don't know where my magic marker is, Cantaloupe. Shine. And the date. And the reason I do that is, what do I say? If you think you're going to remember, you're not. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just, like I said, on everything else. Ooh, look at the color on that already. It's turned out pretty. Is every few days, you just want to give it a shake. That makes sure everything is getting out of that cantaloupe. So we'll come back in about a week. And we'll finish this product up. This is going to be delicious. Okay, so we'll see you in 1 week. Okay, I'm back. It's been 1 week. Oh, that is looking good. Looking good. All right, so we're going to do the next step. All we need is we're going to strain the fruit out. You know, the melon out. So we just got to yes. And let's get the, ooh. Get all that out. And we'll let it drain for a little bit. That just looks so fantastic. I wonder what the fruit tastes like. Ain't much taste to it at all. I can taste the alcohol in it. Let that drain a couple minutes. I'm gonna just leave that sit on there for a couple minutes. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the fruit gone. I just have and we're just going to put that in a jar. Put a little in that. I need another jar. Quart and a piece. Now the best part. Give it a try. It smells like cantaloupe. I mean, what? Ooh, that's nice. It tastes just like a cantaloupe. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's a little cantaloupe with a light burn to it. Yeah, a little bit of alcohol burn. It's very delicious. Very enjoyable. It ain't gonna last long. Ooh. But to me, tastes just like a cantaloupe. That's all right. I like cantaloupe. Okay. That is our Cantaloupe Moonshine. Ooh, baby. I like that.